In the early 2000s, a new independent industry, oil and gas service, started to form in Russia. In 2002, the Russian market for these services was worth $5.5 billion per year, and in 2012 it reached $25 billion. The growth of big cities illustrates the striving of humankind to live in comfort. Freedom of movement, bright light, warmth and coziness in our homes. Everything modern society cannot imagine to be without. Hundreds of thousands of people work in the oil and gas industry. Some of them are involved in mineral production. Others create conditions for quality and failure-free operation. This movie is about the people who help create comfort for the life of society. Meet Neftьсервисхолдинг group of companies. Today, Neftьсервисхолдинг is one of the largest service companies in the oil and gas industry of Russia, working actively in the international field. Neftьсервисхолдинг represents 16 companies, incorporated into a general production system, providing well drilling, workover, and logging services. There are 8,000 employees providing the stable operation of wells for the largest Russian and global oil and gas concerns on a daily basis.
I am confident that we can comply with the most stringent requirements of our clients. Historically, we come from the region where oil has been produced for over 75 years. It may be said that all the history of Russian oil has been absorbed by us from our families. Our parents, our grandfathers, our fathers produced oil. Therefore, we are bearers of specific culture of Perm oilmen. And, in my opinion, with over 75 years' experience in oil production, it is absolutely justified to try and participate and play on the first-class markets.
Neftьсервисхолдинг history starts in 2003. This is when ZAO Optimum and Perm Financial and Industrial Group joined their efforts to establish one of the first oil service companies in Russia. In 2004, the holding started working in Western Siberia, Republic of Udmurtia and Samara region. At the same time, Lukoil Perm became the key partner of the company. In 2007, the company entered the international arena and started well drilling and logging operations in the Republic of Kazakhstan. And in 2009, Neftьсервисхолдинг started operations in the Republic of Uzbekistan.
Average annual rates of revenue increase in Neftьсервисхолдинг group of companies are over 40%. Within 5 years, we managed to provide sales revenue increase of more than 4 times. These are the rates demonstrated by the best companies in the industry. Due to mobility, flexibility, and operability of problem solving, we managed to enter the markets of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, as well as prospective markets of the Russian Federation.
Kazakhstan is the 9th largest country in the world in terms of area. Nature has generously endowed this land with riches. 99 out of 105 elements of the periodic table are securely hidden in its subsoil. But the rich land opens its treasures only to those who are spiritually strong, those who pass the tests of heat, wind and cold with no fear.
Southeast Service Group, which was established in 2007, has quickly become the largest company providing well servicing, workover and cementing services in Kazakhstan. Last year, we started another service line, which is enhanced oil recovery. In 2009, Southeast Service Group was awarded with the Republican Prize Paris 2009 as one of the socially responsible companies in Kazakhstan. Geophysical company Kaspi provides a complete set of well logging, mud logging and production testing services. The customer can always count on us as a reliable partner. If we say we will do it, we will do it.
Neftьсервисхолдинг has such a system of mutual assistance between the companies that are participating in a tender, with each of them able to offer full geophysical services, drilling, oil and gas field construction work, all the range of services provided by Neftьсервисхолдинг.
About 6 years ago, we started one project in the Republic of Kazakhstan. At present, Neftьсервисхолдинг Group provides full range of oil field services for us. We solve our problems jointly, efficiently and in a timely manner. It provides us with additional competitive advantages from each well, from each field, on a permanent basis.
Perm region is a rich land, beautiful Ural nature, thick forests, mighty rivers and black gold. Oil. It has been produced here since 1929. The holding has an extensive experience in the drilling of oil and gas wells, including wells with a technologically complex trajectory. The company has a special subdivision providing MWD services for directional and horizontal well drilling and sidetracking using its own MWD systems.
Most of the company drilling rigs were manufactured in 2012 and have a capacity of up to 320 tons. The company has an extensive experience of well drilling both in our country and abroad, in complex geological conditions with various well designs, and therefore we achieve high rates of penetration in any conditions.
In 2013, a unique well with a measured depth of over 4,500 meters was drilled in the Perm region. The whole inclination is more than 3,000 meters.
A reliable partner that meets our expectations. Neftьсервисхолдинг performed a specific drilling of a 4-leg multilateral horizontal well. We are going to sign a long-term contract with the company.
Well servicing, workover and enhanced oil recovery services are performed by 75 workover crews. All of them are equipped with new modern rigs with a capacity of up to 100 tons.
Request for urgent workover comes directly to us, and we can start a well workover in 4 hours. Few companies can provide such promptness.
The holding is especially proud of its oilfield equipment repairs company, SPO Alnas. This is where experienced specialists perform high-tech repairs to heat tracing cables, sucker rod pumps and cavity pumps. The company works within the holding structure in close cooperation with workover crews, which allows returning the equipment to operation within the shortest time.
We provide repairs to ESP of any manufacturer, and we can do it in 2 hours. Manufacturer's guarantee is 5 years. With our repairs, the equipment works for up to 10 years and more.
Geophysical companies of the holding provide the full range of geophysical and hydrodynamic surveys, including well logging and geophysical field surveys. Neftьсервисхолдинг Geophysical Service Line is represented by more than 100 parties, carrying out surveys, a corporate interpretation center, metrology lab, storage facilities for explosives, ionizing radiation sources in Russia and Kazakhstan.
The main trend today is towards acoustic methods, which allow us to improve the reliability of our conclusions to 95%, while 85% reliability is considered to be very good in Russia. This technology is very common in Uzbekistan.
A very important addition to the integrated services provided by the holding is production of chemicals, preventing problems in the process of oil production, treatment and transportation. The company provides continuous technical and technological supervision over the application of chemicals by the customer.
Fleck Company produces up to 30,000 tonnes of oil-filled chemicals of various makes per year. At present, we are the second largest company in Russia in terms of oil-filled chemical production and services. More than 200 people work in the company, including 5 candidates of chemical and technical sciences.
The holding structure includes motor transport companies. 850 vehicles are involved in construction, in-field roads maintenance and capital repairs. Transportation of cargoes and crews on a daily basis. The holding pays special attention to the professional development of its employees. In our training centre, instructors, including those from leading universities of the country, provide training for specialists in 75 programs. All the companies of the holding are certified for compliance of quality management system and health and safety system.
Within the framework of our further cooperation, we intend to start working in the Republic of Iraq in West Kurna 2 field. And we hope that in the near future, we will use the services of our colleagues in this field.
Есть четкое понимание того, куда мы будем двигаться.
We have our goals and priorities defined. We understand the tools we are going to use to achieve them. People, their individual characteristics, commitment to the best in industry results, striving to achieve and improve them will remain the main capital for the oilfield service company.
Neftьсервисхолдинг Group of companies feels confident about the future. The company continues to develop its range of services and sets the highest quality standards in its work. The company priorities are the same as in the first day of its foundation. Reliable people, civilized cooperation, continuous professional and technological development. Providing its services globally, Neftьсервисхолдинг is willing to cooperate with all who are interested in the enhancement of their business efficiency.